Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing the viral keychain, but in our case, we're going to put it on a luggage tag, okay? So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider sticking around by smashing that subscribe button, checking out all of the other content on the channel, liking the video, sharing out the video to tell others about me, and above all, leave me a comment because I do love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Lego. Let's go ahead and get into the video, okay? So I purchased the blanks from Kolorful Krafting, I believe it is, and I'll leave a link in the box below for you. And the template I actually purchased from Kraftnerd, KellieNicole, and I'll actually leave her link in the description box below as well. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and get into it. I am going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you Canva. All right, so this is the image that I brought in. I'm going to duplicate this page. It is simply a drag and drop, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and knock out an order that I have to do using the actual keychain. So I'm gonna show y'all. The first one was the luggage tag, and then this one was the keychain. So what I'm going to do is, you want to make sure that you just kind of drag and drop this in. Now, you want this to go, it should have actually just, it's supposed to be a drag and drop, so it should have just dragged and dropped itself in there. Because it didn't, we're just gonna go ahead and resize it and get on with our lives. This purple line, if I can get it to come back up, the purple line that was up, that shows that it was in. All right, and then the text box, I'm gonna go ahead on this case, put that like that, and then we are going to change that color to white. Okay, so we're gonna highlight this, and we're gonna bring this up here like so. This is an order, so I want to make sure that this looks pretty good. Yeah, I do have quite a number of these keychains to do, especially once I get back from vacation. All right, so do you see these purple crosshairs right here? This is what I was originally trying to show you, but it shows you right here that the image, where you see the purple crosshairs, that the image is symmetrical as well as the words, right? So this will be one that we will be printing. Now, these do come in different sizes, okay? So the luggage tag is 2.75 by 5.243, okay? And then you have a medium-sized keychain, and then you have a large one, okay? So I have already, like I said, this is the first one that I'm going to do, which is going to be on the luggage tag. This one is an order, and it's going to be on here like so. Now, I believe, oops, look at me. I'm going to go ahead and group this together. And then you should be able to just put it on the screen like so. Okay. And there you go. So that's your keychain. All right. And then this is the luggage tag. All right. So we already have that. I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to come back to you guys. So I already have the image right here printed, right? Now, what threw me for a loop, it said not to, y'all, and I want to make sure I got this on here right. It said not to mirror the image. So that threw me for a loop, right? I was like, don't mirror the image. Okay. All right, so I'm going to just wipe this off because I had a little bit of the ink. And I've already taken off both sides of the sublimation paper or strip that was on there. So we're going to tape this down with sublimation tape. We're going to press this at 365 medium pressure for 105 seconds. Okay. Okay, y'all. So while we are waiting for this to cool down, first things first, anytime you are sublimating, the sublimatable side, make sure it's up toward the top platen, if that makes sense. So if this is the bottom platen, you want the sublimatable side to be up toward the top platen, okay? Note to self, okay? Because something just told me to flip it. And when I flipped it, because at first I was like, this don't work, right? First thing we always want to say, something don't work. Ooh-wee. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Okay. That's what it looks like. But it's not. Ooh, y'all, this is hot. And I mean hot, honey. And I do mean hot. You hear me? Hot. So this is the blank, sort of like the blank, the keychain, not the keychain, the photo slate blocks that you get from Amazon. That's what these are like. So overall, baby, okay. And this is what going on my luggage sure is. So this came out super, super cute. Okay. So I am loving that. So I will leave those links in the description boxes for you guys. I'm going to give y'all one more final look at that because, baby, okay, that came through. And with it, you also, this is still kind of hot. Let me see if I can cool it down just a little bit because I don't want to put the, what you call it, the plastic on here and it melts, but I think it'll be okay. So you have your piece, that plastic that comes with it. You're gonna do it like so, okay? And then, baby, I'm going to add this onto my luggage as well. All right. Yes, y'all. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. All right, y'all. So thanks for hanging with your girl. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Y'all, I know this video is probably kind of dark. I don't have the big light on, but I do have a little light on over there. So hopefully you will be able to get them. But you know what? Let me turn the light on just so you can get a real good look, okay? Like y'all, okay? I wanted y'all to get a good look at that, okay? I want you to get a good look. Soup, that's the back. Of course, you can't really see through the back, but a little bit. But this is your front, and baby, okay? So let me do that outro one more time, okay? Peace, be blessed, stay crafty. Until next time, I'm your girl T, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys. I'm out for real this time.